Guys, it's I'm in a good mood, so we're gonna start vlogging. I'm excited for the weekend. I just went to the gym, so I'm still like living, laughing, and loving off of my endorphins from being at the gym. So I was just there with my friend. I always go to the gym with my friend because I'm using her pass. Yep. So I just got home right now. You can't see, but my room's actually a mess. So I'm going to clean everything. I have to do some dishes, clothes. I mean, we're gonna clean like a little bit, like just put back together my bathroom, and then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna really buckle the fuck down and do some homework for this weekend. Tomorrow for the weekend, my friends are coming up. I'm so excited. Tomorrow I have a pedicure. We have to do more prep, and then I have such a fun weekend plan. Let's go. The most important ingredient.
Now, if you want to be considered to be cast in one of the recreations.
I'm making cookies and watching Gilmore Girls. This is the same thing as me just buying cookies basically, but look. So I am gonna put this up here with butter not melted. Just stir like there's so this is what it turned out as. It's a cookie cake kind of. I filmed this exact clip on my camera, but because I was lazy to return on my phone, because I've been turning on and off my phone, so I don't use it. But I care about my viewers, so I was like, let me give you some quality, girl. But it's 10:30. My arm hurts from holding you, but it's 10:30. I woke up at 10:30. It's 1 o'clock now. I've been in bed all day, low-key feeling like shit because I've been on TikTok, my source of news, and like just seeing everything fucked up with the world. I'm like I don't know. I just really recently, as I've been getting older, realized just how good I truly have it. And I just hate that I still can't get out of bed to go to a nail appointment. Are you kidding me? Like, literally shut up. But this is not an oppression Olympics. Time to day. Free feet pics. I feel brand new. I feel brand new. Isn't that a song? I need my light. This is too dark for us. 1 second. I'm cooking. I love when I look at my little magnets. It makes me really excited because I was thinking about traveling this year because I'm under budget this month. Woohoo! And so I'm definitely going to Europe this summer. How, when, why, with who, where, I have no idea, but may the plan unfold itself with greatness. Anywho, making dinner. I just finished my data analysis homework, which I was dreading. These are my blue light glasses because I found them when I went home last time. So we're gonna eat, then we have to do our microeconomics homework. And then I should clean and pick out my outfits for this week. So that's gonna be fun. I actually don't know like how this looks at all. And I'm gonna record this clip and hopefully you see me, we get each other, but let me grab my shit. It is almost 2 o'clock on the Thursday of next week. Sorry I haven't talked to you in so long. I was having so much fun with my friends. I'll insert some pictures. And I honestly was just so in the moment with them. I forgot to vlog. I do it every time. And I know this about myself. One day I'll be better. Today's not that day. Hi, so coming to you from the future. Basically, I didn't like that clip because I filmed it like a bunch of times. Felt like it just ended up coming up like condescending. Like I felt like I was talking at you guys, not just like really letting you into like my state of mind and how I am right now. And like that's what I wanted to do, because I feel like it's so easy to maybe like look at my life on the outside and be like, oh my god, she's doing great. It's like I do still struggle a lot internally. I've always had really big emotions. I feel like I've gotten a lot better, and I just now see like when I feel, I don't want to even say negative because I don't want to demonize my emotions, but when I feel hard feelings, I know it's because there's something that's still unresolved in me and there's something I need to work through. I was feeling just really lost. I mean, I've always been thinking what I'm gonna have to do after graduation, and I think it's just been so hard with me recently trying to get more internships and jobs in the city, and it just hasn't been working out. One of the things I really pride myself on is my ability to love myself and care for myself and do the best for myself, and I just get in these moods where I get so anxious that I'm like, what if I can't achieve my dreams, you know? Like, what if the lifestyle I want to live and, you know, and how, like, what if that, like, doesn't work out? I mean, specifically, I was getting overwhelmed about, as just the job aspect, you know, income, whatever. I was really overwhelmed about my love life because it's not good. No, not good is not the right word. It's just, it's empty. I feel like I'm getting better, but yet like nothing in my love life is changing. If anything, it's like it's getting worse. The pool's getting smaller, and I don't know, it just really it stresses me out when I just see like my friends around me all finding love in healthy relationships, and I'm just like, what's wrong with me? And it's like, don't answer that because I know, but I'm kidding. I don't think there's anything wrong with me, but it is super hard when I see everybody around me falling in love. And as I get older and as I get better, I get an even clearer vision of the type of man I want to be with. I want a husband. Like, I want a husband, and I want a house, and I want kids, and I want to stay at home. I welcome any love into my life. If it's real, if it's there, I welcome it. But it's like, I know what I'm truly searching for is something a lot more serious, something a lot more true. I have like other career ambitions and stuff, and you know, I'd love to work in the meantime, and I'd love to start a nonprofit one day, but you know, that's like future. But like right now, I don't know, it feels like my next steps, I want to create like home base. Is like, that's my vision and that's my dream right now, and I like can't do anything to get it. Like I can't magically, like I can't make the love of my life magically appear. Like that's out of my realm of possibilities. I just felt really lost because it's like, okay, without this person, without that life, like what do I want to do? And I just don't know. And I think maybe for a long time I always thought I would settle in New York. I always thought I would stay here, I would work, get a nice job, and just see how life goes. But ever since last summer, I just realized I don't think New York is the place for me. I think I'm gonna move somewhere abroad. Maybe I'll move to France. And it's still such a new topic. That is my little mental health update. And yes, I'll be crying later clips. This is after that day, so I feel a little better than that, but it's a sensitive time. It's a new moon. I cry all the time. No need to be alarmed. I'm a Cancer. Like,
welcoming of all that arises, and allow yourself to let go.
okay, I'm all dressed. I should probably use my light, but I'm not. I am back. I'm feeling much better. I wish I had my light. I can't find it, but I'm back. I got tea from this Logo place I really like, but I got like orange green tea and they put real oranges in there. And TPH juice is not even that good, but I like poured it into a different cup so I don't have to like drink all that pulp. Do you see all that pulp at the bottom? It's gonna be laundry time. But right now we're gonna shut down and do our data analysis homework. I just want to update. I'm getting ready. I'm excited. I'm going to dinner with one of my friend Aaron. If y'all keep up, his dad's in town, and so we're gonna go out to dinner with him. Ooh. And then we're gonna go to the club. So I'm getting ready now. And it's a vibe. I think I'm gonna put you on a little time lapse so I can listen to some music. This is my first time using this primer in literally forever. I don't know if it's BDS safe, so not sure about that, but I'm excited. I got it to get like a discount at Target. What do I want to do first? My contour. So yeah, anyways, I'm excited. I'll talk to you later.
Attention everyone. You go like this and it spills out. Oh, that one wasn't as good.
Oh, okay.
it's supposed to be.
I forgot to vlog when I was out. What's new? This was my outfit. I didn't even show you guys. We were dressed in like classy, sexy for the Parisian club we were going to, but it literally didn't matter. People were wearing fucking sweatpants like I thought, but I still feel cute. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear this in general, but I literally didn't drink anything tonight. I just had one glass of rosé at dinner that was paid for by my friend's dad, which I'm so thankful for. Thank you, John. But I had a really good night tonight. I just danced and got cute, got to see my friends, all things I love, surrounded by cute guys, fun young people. That's what life's about. I'm kidding. I also love my dark lip. I'm gonna put this back on because I'm gonna make a TikTok, but we'll see what we're doing tomorrow. Homework. So I think we're gonna take a trip to the library, the public library, to do some work. which is so fun on a Saturday. Like, who will want to be doing anything else? I will be doing that. I never said goodbye, so goodbye. I love you. Thank you for watching. Cheese.